Sorry about that. I had some technical difficulties, and I'm back. This is a continuation of World of Warcraft Tribute. It is a book of fan art dedicated to World of Warcraft and their intellectual property. World of Warcraft is copyright to Blizzard Entertainment and Activision. Okay. Anyways, so where we left off was, and this says all rights reserved, so that's why I'm doing this. The quality of the pictures are not going to be very good. Basically, anytime you come across a link, that will be linked in the description below in the order that they appear in the book. And last episode, we made it to page 75. We probably would have gotten further, but had to deal with the spider, which I can't seem to find now. You know, it's like one of those things where you burn down the house just to kill a spider. But anyways, while we're here, we're at. This is by Trudy Castle, British Columbia in Canada, and they are a concept artist, and they have a link that will appear in the description. Next, we have. I love that. How detailed everything is. That's beautiful. And here we have a picture by Paulo, Henrique, de Souza, Brazil. Goes by the name Pulyx, out of Brazil. And they are an illustrator and a concept artist. And their link will be in the description below. Oh, I recognize this one. I recognize that image. That's like an official image. Okay, here we go. This is also by Paulo Henrique de Souza, Brazil, Pulyx. Another beautiful piece by him, or her, Paulo. Paulo is like Paul. Never going to assume a gender. I'm just going to say they. They did a wonderful job on this. Amazing. Now, we have Wang Fei. I believe that's pronounced Fei. F-E-I, I think is pronounced Fei. Now we have Wang Fei from China. And they are an illustrator. That's beautiful. And their link will be in the description below. Oh, wow. Okay. Next, okay, wait a minute. 76, 78. Okay, I'm just making sure I didn't miss any pages. Now, here we have a picture from Nephyla. Nephyla from Sartreville, France. They are a comic artist, colorist, and oh, there's that spider again. I'm going to put this here just because I can't really read it very well. Burlesque. Oh, that's the name of the picture. I get it. Okay. Here we go. Here is I don't want that spider to get close to me. Anyways, here we have this is an amazing concept. Oh wow. This is like all the playable races and then some. Okay, and now this is by Daniel Velez Carvalha, excuse me, from Medellin, Colombia. They are a director. Oh, the director was Bombilo Amarillo, and the animator Doki Imagination for Discovery Kids. Cool. Beautiful. I like how they did the war gym. That's kind of cute. Okay, now we're on page 80. Now, it's going to freak out if that spider gets on me. Anyways, okay. Whoa. Let's see what we have here. Here's another one by Nephyla. Nephyla? Yeah. Here's another one by Nephyla. And their information will already be on in the description. Again, I just wanted to take time to appreciate just the finer qualities of this. Now, we are to Athena Wuxi from Singapore. And they're an illustrator and concept artist. Rightly so, because this is amazing. I love the kind of the traditional flair there is with the columns. Beautiful. And the detail, gorgeous. Their link will be in the description below. I need to learn to say that better. Okay. Now, Bayadwu. This is art by Bayadwu. I remember that art set. I mean that set, the armor set. And Bayadwu is out of China. Called China Home. And they're an illustrator. Now we are to, and oh wait, there is a link here. It'll be in the description below. Okay, I have to remember that. Okay, went from 4275. Okay. Now, okay. Oh, this is the source material. I see. Okay. This is oh, this is beautiful. Oh. That's Jaina Proudmoore and Dying Arthas. The Lich King. Anyways, okay. I don't know how to pronounce this. Zuzi Wang, or Magiclefty, from China, game artist, and this is from Chinese WoW Fan Art Book 2012, BWC 2012 Fan Art Exhibition. So yeah, that's beautiful. Good job, Magiclefty. Oh, this is cute. I love how chibi they made the bear look. That's cute. Oh wow, this is definitely a hunter. They have a fox. I think that penguin is like a pet. That's definitely a troll hunter. Okay, anyways, enough of that. This is from Colombia by Andres Cruz Barrera, concept artist and illustrator, and this is from there. Sharp Ball. I think that's how it's pronounced. But that's really cool. I always like to think of my hunter doing that with his pets, just setting them all up around the campfire, Okay, and now we have something by Kayla Austin from Georgia of the United States. And they are an illustrator and a concept artist, and this is beautiful. The Black Panther. I don't know if this is no, she has a staff. Maybe she's a mage? I don't know. 85. We're on page 85 currently. That's for my own reference. Oh, here's another one by Kayla Austin. This is a very dynamic piece. I like it. It's very, very dynamic. And yeah, again, that link will be in the description below. Now, here's art from someone from Indonesia named Isuardi Therianto, and they are an illustrator. That link will be in the description below, and that is it Kaothos? I can't remember. Oh well. I will think of it. Okay. But that's beautiful art. Their link will be in the description below. Now, oh wow. And there's another one by Isuardi Therianto. And that's gorgeous. That's Alexis Straza and Blackwing, I think, or Deathwing. Deathwing. And they're fighting. Yep. That's beautiful art, though. Always love the dragons in the game. They're so well made. Now, and, okay. Their description will be in the description. I mean, their link will be in the description below. Now, we have art by Omar Atef from Egypt. They're a fine art student, and it shows in their this definitely looks like a fine art piece. It looks like they might have even used I want to say paint, actual paint for this piece, which is beautiful. This is definitely oh, I should know this. Okay, but yeah, we are to page 90 currently. Oops. Okay, 90. Oh, here we are. I didn't see that at the top. Oh, that's cool. I like this art style. This is by Sandara Tang out of Singapore, and they are an illustrator. There is a link up there, and I will be putting it in the description below. But can we just appreciate the lighting? I mean, the lighting, it looks real. It's wonderful. Okay. Now we have a picture by Exellero, who is Russian, or from Russia rather, and an illustrator. And that's beautiful. Again, I like the lighting effects. I mean, you can really actually see the light coming from her hands and from the staff. That's wonderful. And the soft lighting, it's wonderful. There is no link on this one, so that won't be in the description. Okay, we are going to start with this one. Here we have art by AJ Nazzaro from Colorado of Illinois. United States. Colorado of the United States. See, it says right there, Colorado, USA. I don't know why I translate that to Illinois. I don't know. Anyways, they are. It says that they are an illustrator and they're horde in real life. That's cool. And I know that that's this must be a warlock because that's a fell hunter. I always thought those were the coolest creatures. Anyways, there is a link here that will be in the description below. Now, we have... This is definitely a Wargen, obviously. This is art by... okay, we'll try this. I'm going to butcher this name, but I'm not familiar with how to say this. I just know they are into concept arts and digital painter, and they're from Indonesia. So, anyways, we'll take a shot in the dark and say that this is Zulkarnaen Hasan Basri. Please don't make me say that again. I probably butchered it, and I'm sorry. But anyways, that link right here, it's going to be in the description below. Okay. Next, we have some art by... Oh, this is beautiful, by the way. Get some of that glare off from my headlamp. Let's see. Okay. This is by Erick Arciniega of Mexico. They are a concept artist, a comic book colorist, and an illustrator, and it shows. The quality here is amazing. Sorry for that glare. That's beautiful. there is a link here, and it will be in the description below. I'm getting better at saying that. I've only had to say it about 95 times. I guess that helps. Okay, now we have here Wong Yu Ing from Malaysia, and they were an illustrator. There is no link here to more of their art, but the picture here is beautiful. There's a Naga, it looks like, and that looks like King Varian Wen. I seem to remember a plot line that revolved around the king going missing. 95, 96, 97. Okay. Oh, I like this. This is cute. Oh, this is oh, there's a yak. Oh, looks like somebody got thrown from their yak. Okay. Or maybe they're doing that quest where you have to take the yaks to the yak wash. Okay, this is by Delfina Palma of Valencia, Spain, and they are an illustrator. The link will be in the description below. Now, up here we have. I just love that art style. Can I just say that it's kind of an endearing art style. It reminds me a lot of Cello Stand. Anyways, here we have Chloe Tessier, or KLO is their handle, their name. They're from France, and they are an artist, plain and simple. And that's all it needs to be. I believe that those are spirit wolves, and that is definitely shaman gear. So they are definitely a shaman. And then, beautiful. And that link will be in the description below. How are we doing time-wise? 16. Okay, I know the last one didn't go very long because I accidentally had some technical difficulty. Wow. This is beautiful. Sorry for the glare from my lamp. I should probably turn it off, but I need the light. Otherwise, you can't see anything. Anyways, I'm just kind of blown away by it. It's just wonderful. Beautiful. And this is by S from China, and they're a college student. Wow. So there's no link on that one. And this is by Alain Matte, or Matte. Would that be Matte or Matte? From Canada. They are an illustrator and a concept artist. And just the detail on everything. I mean, even the wrecked building. Wow. Beautiful. I love it. We're at page 100, actually, and I'm not sure how many pages there are total. Oh, wow. I can't even begin to go into the detail here of how awesome these pictures are. But this one is by Alejandro Hurtado Velázquez from Mexico. They are a concept artist, and special thanks to Lau Aceves. And now we have, this is really cute. I love these. Ivan Camelo from Bogota, Colombia. That is the capital city. And they're an illustrator. And there was a link on both these pages. They will be in the description below. We are to page 102. Here's another one by Ivan Camelo. Beautiful. I just love the art style here. I mean, just look at that. It's kind of like the style that My Little Pony is in, and Teen Titans Go. It's beautiful. I just love how quaint the style is. It's wonderful. Okay, I believe that Ivan Camelo is back here as well. Yep. Okay. Now we are to Pedro Potier. Oh, that's a fairy dragon. Fey Drake. They're a pet. Okay, this is by Pedro Potier from Portugal, who is a concept artist, and there is a link there that will be in the description below. I will get it right someday. 3, 4. Here we go. This is by. Oh, please don't make me see this. Oh, I'm not familiar with French, so I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce this. I saw the last name is Stephanie. Quiquempoix Stephanie from France. They are a webmaster and a graphic designer. Beautiful. Just look at the quality of the hair. Come on, that's beautiful. Gorgeous. Oh, this is kind of a whimsical. I like it. There is a Draenei. This is by Tabary Charlene. They go by the name Chain, C-H-A-N-E. They are from France, and they are an illustrator. And look at this art. This is just gorgeous. I could totally see an entire comic book made in this style. It's beautiful. 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, I'm just checking. Okay. Now we have someone named Licarto who drew this picture. Again, I'm sorry for the glare. This is obviously Sylvanas Windrunner. Sorry about the glare. I'm going to try and get the glare off the book. Beautiful. And their link will be in the description below. And again, just look at the detail. I mean, it's a dark picture, but you can actually see in the background the symbols. Beautiful. Anyways, oh, I know where this is. Leroy Jenkins. Yep, I know where this is. This is by Douglas Schuler from Colorado of the United States. They're a fantasy science fiction illustrator. And this is, oh man, Blackrock Spire. Definitely Blackrock Spire. It's in the room with all the baby dragons, with all the eggs. You basically get an achievement by breaking all the eggs and killing like all the dragons in a certain amount of time. Also, really like the detail in the Tauren. It's beautiful. But yeah, I'm well aware of what those weapons are too, because I had them back when I played. But yeah, Douglas Schuler's link will be in the description below. Oh, wait. Okay, and here's another one by Licarto. This time it is a Pandaren monk, looks like, because they're using a staff. And I love the dynamic pose. It's kind of an action-oriented pose. Love it. Now, again, that link will be in the description below, but only once, because no matter how many pictures a person has in here, they only get in the description once. Okay, next we have, this is by Pepe Delgado Navarro from Mexico. They are a concept artist. Wow. That's another dynamic pose. I like how the moon is in the background. And that's like a dragon of some sort, it looks like. Okay. But beautiful. I really like that. The link will be in the description below. Okay, now we have Nikonov from Russia, who drew this picture. They are a concept artist, and that is definitely a goblin assassin, looks like, because they are dual-wielding daggers. And, oh, she looks a lot like Harley Quinn, kind of, with the pigtails. Okay, that's probably actually an orc, not a goblin. My apologies. The green skin, it's hard for me to tell the difference. The nose, oh, it's definitely an orc. Goblins have the big noses. Anyways, this is a beautiful picture, by the way, and Nikonov's link will be in the description below. Now we are to a picture by Paul Laubser from South Africa. They're an illustrator, and wow, look at this art. This is just really hard to get over because it's beautiful. And I know what these are. I don't remember what they are exactly called, but I know I've encountered these before. I think they're one of the demon type things that's through the portal, in the Outlands. But yeah, even the wings, the detail in the wings, that's just amazing. Paul Laubster's information will be in the description below. Okay, now we have, this is by Lazaros Pasdekis from London, UK, and they're an illustrator. And that's beautiful. That's another dynamic pose right there. There's a lot of action going on, and that is actually outside of Orgrimmar, right outside the front gate. I recognize the color of the dirt and everything. Okay, now we are to a picture by Richard Suwono of Jakarta, Indonesia. They're an illustrator and a digital artist. And they do have a link, and it will be in the description below, like all the other artists that we have covered in this episode. This is beautiful, though. I also like the kind of the old feel to it. It has an old faded feel to it, and it's wonderful. And the luminous green eyes, wonderful. And we're probably going to end it with this one. With that one right there. Because, again, I'm going to be putting in a ton of links in the description. I don't want to run out of room. So I'm going to have to cut these a little bit short. Anyways, what we have here is art by someone from Sweden, Patrik Hjelm. I think the J is silent. I'm not sure. They are from Sweden, and they're an illustrator. That is beautiful, though, for Deathwing. Now, here is an artist from Turkey. They're an illustrator, and their name is Attila Kandink. Attilan Kandink, I think is how it's pronounced, but I'm not sure. And they're an illustrator, and obviously rightly so, because that's a beautiful rendition of how can I forget his name? I've done Black Temple trillions of times to get the Warglaives. Anyways, I'm going to probably end it there. Oh yeah, it's been about 30 minutes. And we've gone from 75 to 115. But yeah. If you like this content, make sure you like and subscribe and ring the bell so you know when I upload. And also, if you want to support me in any way, all the information will be in the description below. And as always, thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.